same when now look and speak to her. I've maybe changed, but so have she. It's like we're prisoners and we just can't get free. I see her eyes, the same old eyes, but then she break me down and make her feelings die. I got a life of my own, I have to be on my own sometimes. I have to stand on my own 2 feet, and I know I treat her good. But why do we always fight? I can't look at you, I can't be with you tonight. And I know that